Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Axon 30 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast and correct, and we can unlock the device just in one of the seconds. So this is the really good result. I just want to try one more thing. I set up the face unlock recognition without the glasses, and now I'll wear them and we'll see does this feature works with the glasses. So let's try. 1, 2, or 3. So it works also correct. There is no problem to unlock the device with the glasses or without them, so you just can try it. But don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.